How's everybody doing? And cool. Let's kind of go over what we did last time. So ignoring the Sunday broadcast that was just playing around with some CTF stuff. Previously, we were looking at a obfuscated binary and working towards actually deobfuscating those the various techniques that are obfuscated in it. Hey JT. So far we've done a been looking at Binary Ninja. Let me close that. Let's see. So far we've done a the one that does a push and does something with that address and then returns to it. And we have also done the one that has the conditional jumps where it will say jump if equal, and then if it's not that, then it will do jump if not equal. And so it ends up being an unconditional jump. And we have done both of those. I'm just still getting some stuff set up. All right, cool. So let's go back and kind of look at where we are. I wanted to change some stuff in this function, actually, the unjump down here. There was where we're actually doing the patching. I don't want to patch where the condition is. I want to patch where the jump is, and I want to, instead of directly doing this, I want to use the patch unconditional or always branch API thing. So we're gonna do that. Let me get my, where's my doc? There it is. Let me set one thing. I forgot that I wanted to listen to some music while I did this. So, all right, there we go. That's better. And what will that always allow undo? Oh no, so the undo thing is going to be the next thing that we do. So first jump condition address is not where I want to jump to. Let's do that first. So first jump, I believe, is the actual jump. Yeah, so find a conditional jump, first jump. So our patch address is just going to be first jump. And then I'm going to get rid of this. I can't remember if it's under, no, it must be under Arch. No? Why are you not coming up for me? Let me see. Oh. Yeah, there. Okay, so it's under Arch. And we need data and address. So I'm going to do always branch. And it's going to be view.read patch address. And let's just do a view, oh no. Yeah, view.arch.max instruction size. Make this all nice and pretty. All right, so we got the read, and then we put our patch address here. And so that should we can take this out now. Actually, no, we can't. I think the always branch thing just returns the bytes that are necessary to actually do the patch. So we'll go ahead and leave that there. And I should go ahead and give me just 1 second here. Boop, boop, boop. All right, so let's go and see if that's gonna work. All right, so if we put that there, let me make sure that actually worked. Yeah, that looks good. All right. So now we should just be able to do an import unlock. Whoops. Did I have a space there? Yeah. All right. So let's go ahead and I should have also done my reload. Let's see, from import lib for reload global unlock equals reload unlock. Let's see if the plugin thing will work today. Nope. That's very weird why that's not working. That's so weird. I don't know why that doesn't work. Let me see what's going on in the log. Doesn't tell me anything. So last time I did see something later on that was saying that it wasn't bound or something. It's very strange. So I guess maybe you can't do plugin.command register from the scripting instance. Maybe that's the issue. Anyways, we'll just do a unret from current basic block. Cool. And we'll just do this a couple times till we find our all right, so here's our jump. So we start from here and then do a unjump. Oops, core exercise. Oh. What's it called? Max instruction length. All right, let me make sure that's also in the core architecture. Yes, yes it is. All right. All right, let's see if at least R works. Oops. Why did I do that? All right, well, it knows the jump, but it's not enough space. Oh, I didn't change patch BB. Wait, really? All right, let's change our length here. When patch value. Oh, it's taking the entire thing and replacing the always branch in it probably, and then giving me the entire thing back. Let's see. Oops. Oh, geez. Yeah. No, I don't want to do that. I want to give it just the bytes. It knocked out everything. That's good to know. All right. So what I then want to do is... Damn, this is like not as easy. I thought this would be simpler, but apparently it's not, because now I have to give it the length of this instruction, which I believe is the easiest way to do that is view arch.get instruction info. Dot length, maybe? Let's see if that works. Do I have my thing? No, still not there. Strict. Oh, no, that's not gonna work. Let me see. Is there a get instruction length? Get instruction length, that's what I want. That's easier. There we go. All right. It did end up with a knot there. I wonder if was the jump if not equals a reload unlocked, bound but not registered. There's that. So that's very strange that maybe it has to update analysis for the thing to happen. Anyways. All right, so let's do an unret. Let's see, do we have another one? Okay. So here's where we are gonna have to, once we get to it, we're gonna have to decide which direction we're gonna go on these. So we've got this, let's try it one more time, start here. Although actually no, we'd start here, I think. All right, so that starts at 8.3. Yeah, that looks like a 0F87 is the jump if above, maybe. Oh wait, no, I don't have the, gotta add this in. I should have done this before start of the stream. All right. So we've got our unjump. Let's see, what if we do, we find a conditional jump. And then we find all our returns. So what if we check I want to check the false branch. Oops, none type. Let's see. What else have we messed up by changing it? Actually, do I just need to be on this one? Nope. Okay, it's the same thing. Good. 192. Where's the first ops is not scriptable. Oh, I probably don't have, yeah. We'll have to go through and do all these. Let's see, what else is there? There's comps greater than, I think. I don't think it's signed greater than. I think it's just greater than equals visit compy. I wonder if I can do a selection in the oh, it is S. Nope, I can't, but I can at least do that. All right, so I got the GT, I need the E's. All right, so sign greater than, sign less than or equal to, sign greater than or equal. Sign less than and then up here we need u greater than or equal to I see where we're going to have an issue in a little bit. We'll have to figure out how to deal with that. All right, we got those. We're gonna still have to deal with it here too. But this one at least has auto complete. And then we've got all right, I think I just, nope, I need comps greater than than or equal. I really wish there was some sort of like, yeah, I just looked over at chat. I really wish there was some sort of like convenience methods for some of these things, but you know, whatever. I think I'm missing one still. Yeah. This is not the first time I've made a dictionary of like related instructions. All right, hopefully this is enough. All right, let's see if that worked. Nope. What did I mess up? Oh, forgot to remove that. Whoops. Cool. So that got rid of that. So yeah, here's the one that we're gonna have an issue with, I think. This one doesn't match what we've already done because it's not a comparison, it's just not. So, now we've got to figure out if, I think this is just a special case where we have to figure out what to do here. I think there's also a parity, jump parity, jump not parity. So we need to be able to handle a jump if not something and then have the same thing as the other jump as well. So find our first conditional jump, which is going to be where we look for the if. And then we find all our returns. And then we're going to look for the branch dependence. That's the first jump. Get that. The second jump. Here's the not in comp pairs. So then let's change this to then we can do a LF first jump condition dot operation equals Here we want to do a if second jump dot condition dot operation equals medium level IL not. I'm not sure what to do there yet, but now we do a, well, it's here. So this could be a if not flag. Oh. All right, and so then you can do the same thing here. Oh, yeah, let's see. All right, so what are we doing with this again? We want, oh, we want the condition. Okay, so I can move the second thing down there. Let's say if this isn't the not, can you use the flag if it's unimplemented? Yeah, because it doesn't need to actually have a value. We just need to know that the flag, a particular flag, is being checked, and if that flag is being checked and then its negation is being checked, then we still have the same thing going on here. Actually, let's just leave it like this. And then do the same thing here. All right, so now we have these. So now we can say if first jump, oh, wait, let's do this. That's really what I'm doing today. All right, so if these are in, if it's in those, then we want if first jump addition dot what is in source. All that just for that. Let me try that. This is also going to be an issue right here. What is var returning? Does it return the actual... Oh, it does return the source. So it might actually be okay there. Yeah. Let's just say it's also just going to be return expression.source. That might actually work, and then we don't have to check. Oh, that's a good idea. Let's just do this. We'll come up here, and in here, we can do not this medium level IL operation var. And so that'll give us the check that we want. All right, so if it's a var, if it's not a not, then we get the var definition of it. If it's a var, if it's a not a not, we get the definition for it. Otherwise, it's just the condition. Then we comp pairs. If this is a var, then this is going to be a not. If this is a not, then this is going to be a var. And then we visit these. That should still get us these two flag conditions. I'm pretty sure in medium level IL, I'm in low level right now. Yeah. So these are just bools. That's a... Let's double check. 17 dot condition dot source dot operation. Yep. So these are going to be a not and a var, or a var and a not. So let's see if that actually worked. I doubt it will work on the first try because that is my lot in life. It did not work. All right. Didn't get all the way, so one of the things is failing. So it didn't get... There's a here somewhere that it prints. Or did I take that out? Oh, yeah, it didn't get to there, which is... Let's see if it gets right there. Nope. All right, let's see. Where are we getting to? Actually, let's do this. Should have been doing this from the beginning, just to kind of... All right. Do we have a step 5? Did I just get sidetracked and not do that anymore? Let's do a step 5 here. Pretty much anytime there's a return that we can get out of. Yeah, for fail-based prints. I don't know, I like the seeing everything printed out. All right, let's do step 7 there. Now we should have some jump. No, let's move that. All right, and then if we get down here, we have our outputs, and we have our not enough space, and that should be it. We get to step 6. And I have 2 step 7s apparently. So let's fix that. Okay. So here we're looking for the second jump and we're not finding it. All right. Actually, why is that undefined? Oh, that's why it doesn't find the, there's an int C2 there, which is causing it to stop lifting. So we're gonna have to, oh shit. Oh wait, no, I'm in low level 22. Let's see, does this have branch dependence? Yes. Okay, so we're gonna do a undefined as well for our looking for returns. Gotta love all these little corner cases we find. Oops. Nope. Reference before assignment. Whoops. Hmm. 216. How is it getting to there? without defining that. What the hell? That's an else. Oh. It's this here. How are you getting here? Oh, right. I am stupid. Just needs to be equal here. Yes, corner cases are bane of my existence. Really should just have made this a an if and. What am I returning? Oh, right. I'm returning something up here, aren't I? Okay, yeah, that's not gonna work. Where was I? Right here. This is gonna have to be if his instance first hops then not though. Nope. I'll just have to do both as, where was I? All right. Yeah, so those should both be variables. Oops. Damn it. Oh, it's an instruction. Actually, yeah, I need to do this. Because I was just returning the source, but the source is another instruction that's just the variable. Hey, there we go. Cool. That fixed it. All right. So let's go ahead and do our undo things. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So what we need to do is bring in undo action. And let's see if I can remember how to do this. I don't think I can do a with undo action. I don't think that works, but let's see. It might have a thing. No, it does not. Okay. So what we have to do is it might not be undo action. Oh, I remember. This is the handler. That's not what we want. So we want begin undo actions, I believe. And then it's something like bbw.commit undo actions. And what we want to do here is turn true. And we'll just let the nones be our false. I think there's also like a revert or something. We might just have to do an undo. Let's see, so it's begin undo actions, commit undo actions, and is there a revert? Yeah, maybe we just need to keep it I think maybe that's what I need to do, because I want to be able to undo that stuff and like revert back if it fails. So let's try that. Actually, let's just do a now it'll give us an option of doing whichever one we want. All right. Looks like we probably have a return one. So let's try. Oops. All right, that got us to the next one. Let's see what happens if I undo. Huh. It undid everything. What have I done to our state? Huh. I think it just like completely messed up data flow somehow. Let's see. Current function dot get register value reg value at. Okay, so that's working. Then it would be get stack contents at get stack contents at, I think it's that, and then here. Oh, these might be wrong. Here, -4. No, it still knows it's there. So what is going on? It's a constant. All right, it's getting a step 3. And I wonder if it's suddenly Oh, it's undoing itself. Oh, that's simple enough. There we go. Actually, I know what we need to do. Let's return the next jump address. We don't have it here. Do we actually? First jump is going to be true. Yeah, target. Okay, so we do have target. So let's return target here. And now we have target. And we can return target. Oh, yep. Thank you. Squiggly lines. No, undo the undo. Yeah, I don't think it would let me undo the undo. And I don't really want to see what would happen if I tried to. So actually, no, let's do a return target. There we go. And that's going to be a which is where we just created something at. So now, in order to do something automated for this, So what we need to do next no, that's not a function. I can't remember what they call it. Putting some annotations. So, I want to do, so this one does the thing where it looks for a conditional jump. But we're not doing that in the basic block. Although we know that this could also loop forever. So we want to take this out. And, well, we can leave that. This is the part we want to move out. And, Now here's the thing. I want to change this and just have first jump equals something. Actually, maybe unjump doesn't need a basic block to be passed in. Maybe this one should be a medium level. First jump. Just take that out completely. All right. So we've got our unread, we've got, whoops. And we're gonna just pass in first jump, which means that we gotta change this down here as well. This is not gonna be, no, it's not gonna be instruction. Let's just call it a thing. No, I don't like that. Let's go back to this and do run on BB. And then we'll have a run on instruction. I could have one that was generic for both of these, but you know, whatever. View equals il dot, I don't think there's a view on this, yeah, function dot view. I think that has a view. Let me double check. All right, this is one of those ones that assigns a bunch of stuff inside it. Okay, so source function is going to be what we want. And then source function is going to have a view. Because a source function is an actual function. Because that's what you pass in there. And then a function has a view. So there's our binary view. Can I do this? I love using type annotations. Yeah, I don't know. Do I have binary view or? Does it still not like that? No, seems to like it. That's kind of cool. Although, I left my comma off. Nope, it doesn't like that. Oh well. Would have been nice to have a yeah, thing's a great name, huh? All right, now I have more red things. What have I messed up? More annotation issues. All right, that looks like that got rid of that. All right. Cool. So now we've got those. Let me see. Do this one again. All right. And then we're going to come here, and then we're going to do an unlock. So that run shouldn't have worked. It should have been run on BB. That's weird. Where are we? 8. See if it'll work. Nope, I messed stuff up. Oh, right. Yeah, we want to do the mapped medium level IL. Yeah, it's still 8. Current IL. Where did I leave current IL in? Yeah, that should fix that. I think that was the last time I used it. Yeah. Nope. Where was that? What am I looking for? 710. Oh, that's get item. Oh, shit. 198. Let me see. Can I go to mapped medium level IL from... Whoops. Did I close that? Yeah. Can I go to mapped from here? No. Oh, that's new. IL basic block. Can you actually go backwards? That's useful. I don't think I've ever seen that one with there before. But I can at least do the low level IL. That's gonna be a little hacky, but let's do that. First thing that we'll do is first jump equals first jump dot low level IL dot mapped medium low level IL. So we're going to convert this to mapped medium level IL, and this won't really do anything if it's already mapped medium low level IL. Medium level IL. Can't talk today. Really? Does 8 not have? So that's the issue. So this should be the same thing. Yeah. Really? Oh, right. Yeah, that's a bug that I filed like a year ago. So here's the first bug for tonight. And that is that low level IL doesn't always have its mapped medium level IL underneath it. So we can't go that direction. So we'll just have to... That's frustrating. We'll just have to assume that first jump is mapped medium level IL. And then this will just be function. Okay. So here, instead of that, we'll do current low level IL. Also 8. Actually, why? I can't. Can I not get to that mapped? Is it not going to let me do that either? How do I get this mapped medium level IL? Oh, yeah, see, that works. But going the other direction, like, you would think it's the same thing, but you get none. So that's kind of a, yeah, I need a little bug like bot that anytime I say, oh, here's a bug, it like dings and like adds a little counter up in like the top corner. That would be great. All right, so we can do, oops, stupid space. Oh my God, I'm thinking backwards. All right, so we come here. Where's my, we're gonna do current low level IL 8 mapped medium level IL. Cool. All right, so that's working. So now we need to step through our instructions. I think we want mapped medium level IL, yeah. All right, so we want to do something like for IL in, actually maybe the ret one should be on the IL as well instead of the basic block. Because I can get that pretty easily from the mapped medium level IL. Where all do I need basic block? It's right there. That's it. All right, gonna switch this one too. And then this is just gonna be il.address. And then this is just going to be il.function. And this is just going to be il.ssa form. Nope, we don't want to do that. All right. I might have just completely destroyed everything, but let's try it. Unret. Mapped medium level IL should be 1-to-1, but let's double check. Is that also 30? No, it is not. So we are not 1-to-1. So we want 27. Although actually, Let me just do this. This will be easier. Current function dot mapped medium level IL. Nope. I thought it had mapped. There we go. Cool. All right. And then let's just see where we end up. So that put us right there. So if we do a current function dot get low level IL at here dot mapped medium level IL, and that gets us that, and that means that we know where to start. So if we do a, what is it? Associated store or session data? Session data is what we want. Current function dot session data. Yes. So if we do something like one, two, three, four. Okay, let me see if this does anything. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, that does actually affect analysis. But we get the thing back. Okay, so what we're gonna do next, send a message. So the next thing what we wanna do is actually automate this. And we're gonna use an analysis completion event for that. So an analysis completion event is a callback that happens when analysis completes. It runs after analysis is considered to be complete, which is not to be confused with a binary data notification, which actually runs before analysis is considered complete. I don't think that... I think that if a binary data notification is triggered, that you're not necessarily guaranteed to have the analysis that you want. Although maybe we do. Let's try it. Because a binary data notification happens every time. An analysis completion event happens only one time. So let's try a binary data notification. All right. So we're gonna need a data notification. And we want function updated. All right, let's see, I believe it gets a view. Oh, now I need to look this up. Oops. All right, so self, yes, so nice. And we even get the function. That's cool. So we can do next equals function dot session data Next. Let's just do a view.navigate here. I think that's all I need for that, right? Let me see. You're not gonna tell me? All right, whatever. Where's it? File.navigate that I need. Also not gonna tell me. Fine. All right, I think just here maybe. Ugh. Self view offset. So I need, here is the offset, and then we want view.file.view because I don't feel like typing out the graph thing or whatever. So it'll just stay in whatever view it's in. So if we do that, and then we come over here, oh, now what do you hate? Good? Yeah. All right, so if we do a bb.register notification, and we do an unlock notification, now if we do a let's come here and do the ret one. Oh wait, no, I actually just want this 40. Where's my thing? All right. Do this. Now, if this works correctly, what we should do is we should end up at the location of the next basic block, which should be 40AC03. Nope. Where did it put us? 4, 2, 3. It did not move us. AE26. I don't even see that. Was that where we were? That's not the value that it returned either. So the value it returned was the correct thing. Huh. Oh, it didn't move. Okay. Because that's no longer a value. Maybe our thing didn't actually run. Oh. Yeah, that's why. No, didn't even look like it. All right, cool. So we have our unlock notification. Although I should have made it print something out. No, you do not have access to here inside of a function. Here is only available in the console. It's injected into the globals. Ah, yeah. See, function update did it, and so you could tell because this was output here instead of in the console. That this is being executed in the context of the core Python as opposed to the being evaluated within the Python console. So in the Python console, right before it executes, it evaluates whatever you typed in. It will inject those globals in and then evaluate what you had. And so that's how you get the here. And so that's why I was doing the view.navigate, because underneath the here property is its setter is just calling view.navigate. So come back here. What happens if we do an undo? It only undid one. Hooray. Let me see what current function session data has now. It does have a next. I don't know what that address is. Oh, that's up here. Okay. All right, let's try it again. Almost did it again. All right. So here we want 40AC03. Looks like it still didn't do it. It might be that a binary the binary data notification doesn't have access to the So this should be the correct value. So then current function dot session data. That is still not right. Okay, so yeah, that's not gonna work. Oh, that's, now I know why you're saying here. Yeah, thank you. And I should really just do like that. Should look over at chat more often. Oh, and we've got more things here too. Yeah, here is not defined. I think it removes them if they have an exception or something. That's nice, at least. Although it, I accidentally hit my lock thing. Although it does seem like it still called it, because there's two of them now. Yeah, let's go ahead and oh no, I can just do this. Gonna get a new view. All right. So we want to do a refresh that, then we'll do a bv.register notification unlock notification. Cool. All right. So then we want a unlock.run mlil. I can just switch that back to run again. Unret current function dot get low level il at here dot medium mapped medium level il. What did I call it? Run on il? Nope. What did I call it? Run on MIL. This is where tab completion would be nice in the console. Nope, it didn't even add it. Can it not add it? I got an error. Am I not? Oh, I'm dumb. Let's just switch this back to run while I'm at it. Get rid of that. The problem is that I'm not doing. Oops, no. Al.function. Never actually added this. I feel like I'm making more mistakes than normal tonight. All right. I still didn't get my next. Interesting. Oh, I got 2 of those that time. Is it already gone? Oh. I think it's telling me that the notifications are gone, but it's not actually unregistering them. That might be a bug. Ding. So what is our it's not adding it. Oh, I did run on MLIL, which still apparently exists even though I did a reload. I guess reloading stuff doesn't actually overwrite old things. It just updates the things that are there. So let's try that again. And we're just gonna do run on. We'll do it again here and see if it. Okay. So it did that. We didn't get any errors this time. but it didn't actually navigate. So it still thinks it's at that address, C923, which would have been probably right here. But what is... All right, we didn't actually return it. So I'm thinking that because of, yeah, so those are two different things. And I bet you this one's the correct one. Yeah. That's where it so then the issue here is that, yeah, that's where we were. It seems like the value that it gets is not there when it reads it. I'm guessing. Let's actually... Let's do a print. Oh. Gotta put another notification. I might have like a bunch of notifications now. Let's get rid of the... Hit my lock thing again. All right, I think it's what, Del? Yeah. Cool, nothing there. All right. We registered our thing. We got our here, we got that. And I have crashed Binary Ninja. So here's the issue, I think. We are running on the main thread, and I think that we've just caused a deadlock. Yeah. Let me kill this. All right. Yeah, so we can't do that. Oop, brought it over to the wrong window. All right. So then that means that we need to do this on a background task. So we're going to add that in as well. I believe we want a background task thread. So we want our unlock task thread. And we need our IL. Yeah, that's all we need. And then it's run that no, start. I can never remember which one of these it's supposed to be. It's just like a thread. Is it start that I'm supposed to implement? Or run? Yeah, I don't remember. Let's go look. So it has a run and a start, and we want run. All right, so that should then give us that. But then the question is going to be, when does the next part run? And what we might end up having to do is register switch from a binary data notification to an analysis completion event and just register it every time we come into this. All right, have fun. See you later. Let's see. So we want to do register notification, unlock notification, and then we want to do a unlock task thread, and we want to do unlock unret, and we want to do current function dot get low level IL at here dot mapped medium level IL. And then we do a u.start. Oh, did I do the, yeah. Gotta call the super. I believe that's how you do super, if I remember correctly. All right. Let's go ahead and make a new one so I can guarantee I don't have the notification thing. Although I should definitely add that to my list. Binary data notification objects disappear from bv.notifications if there's an exception, but they don't actually seem to have been removed. I don't remember what the other bug was. Oh yeah, the other bug was the mlil dot low level il dot mapped medium level il doesn't seem to work. Okay, back to it. BV register. Like, actually, let's reload that first. And then we'll do a. All right. Nothing seems to have happened. Didn't print anything. Interesting. What did I miss there? I should have printed something. All right, let's see what happens if we do this. Actually, let's make sure that we're good. We don't need to, oh yeah, let's see. Okay, our notification is still there. I don't really think I need to do anything with that. Let's say u equals u.start. Nothing again. We're definitely running. Interesting. Oh, oops, unread. And oh, is my here? That's the problem. Nope. Oh, I caused it to hang again. Interesting. So I don't think that I can call session data and then get it from a binary data notification. Because it seems like that has just completely killed it. It's very interesting. So I guess we'll try a completion callback. All right. So let's just comment that out. Since there's the only one function. All right, let's just call this check next. And I believe if we do a reload of that, check next, bb.add analysis completion event, check next. Oops. All right, so now if we do a run, unlock run, unlock.unret, make sure we're out here. Oh. Oh, it passes in the analysis completion event. That's right. Guess we'll fix that. Why did it run anyways? Because I moved? Did that actually run it? Because that would be really annoying if it already ran because of that. Ah, I keep hitting that lock today. Oh my god. Killing me. I need to just like disable that when I'm streaming. I don't know why I have it on right now. I'm just like usually not in that corner ever. Okay, so let's do it. See if that works. Okay, cool. That works. All right, so oh, it looks like it's running it right then. Well, let's see what happens, because if it's running my analysis completion event when I add the analysis completion event, and analysis completion events only fire one time, that's going to be a problem. But let's try it. Got that here, got this. Didn't look like, I don't know if I printed. Yeah, it should have printed something out there. Huh. All right, let's see. bb dot analysis completion. Yeah. Check next. All right, let's double check. Clear the log. And we've got an error. Int has no encode. Oh. It is calling it, and that is not a good thing. Oh my god. That fucking... Okay, you cannot use session data in any sort of main thread callback, apparently. This is session data. What the fuck? All right. Can I use binary view metadata maybe? This is ridiculous. So the issue here is that certain things happen on the main thread. Like it queues things up on the main thread. That includes things like setting session data and stuff. And I'm willing to bet that there's some sort of lock that gets like locked up or something in such a way that when you are trying to set the session data, you're stuck on that thread and it can't, or like the binary or the analysis completion event or something, which also runs on the main thread, is then also trying to get it, and so it's causing some sort of like deadlock. Let's try making a check next thread. Actually, I think there's something easier we can do here. All right. If we do main thread, we can do worker and queue. And that should put it on a worker thread instead of having to make a... We'll just call this our analysis completion event. And then we'll do check next here. Whoop. All right, and so then here we can do a what was it? Queue. Worker and queue. Oh, though that needs a let's do this. I think that's how partial works. Yeah. So just make us a call where it just makes this function have this parameter. All right. Did I not save it? Well, I saved it. The hell? Function object has, no, wait, unlock should be a, oh. There we go. Let's just hold on to that. All right, so now let's see what we can get up to here. So now we want to do an unlock.run, unlock.unread. Let's make sure we're here. Current function. Also, let's. Aha. So it did actually call as soon as we added it. I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on with that. All right, so dot run. I just want this to work for one time, and then we can actually like automate it. Let me guess. It didn't actually. Yep, it didn't do the analysis completion event. Let me see. So the analysis completion, whoop. So it creates one. I guess I'm gonna have to do it like this maybe. So binary, I feel like this is a bug too. Like your analysis completion event should not be called the moment you actually like add it. Yeah, all right, let's try it the other way. Oh no, I actually have to make one. Oh wait, no, I don't. Ah, that damn. Yeah, that'll do it. All right, let's clear the log. Come back to the console. It fucking runs it right then. It runs it right then. That is absolutely ridiculous. That should not be updating. That is broken. It used to not do that. My God. Analysis completion event triggers analysis completion. New bug. Okay. So what the hell? Although it looks like that one is also getting called. Oh no, that's definitely the log output. And the other one was a print. Yeah. That's why we're only seeing that one there. Well, hell. I don't know what to do about that. But that's pretty effed up. Like, I don't know when this happened because I've used analysis completion events before, and there's never been an issue with it triggering as soon as thing. So they must have accidentally set it so that it actually updates analysis when you change that. Well, poop. Let's see. I guess then what we can do is here do a. Let's try this. I don't really want to do it like this. This is a naive way to do it. Oh, I didn't read. All right, what am I doing? All right. Then we do a start here. Oops. Oh, should have been self. Damn. Ooh. Actually, maybe that's what the. No, that wouldn't have done it. All right. Hey, there we go. So yay. It so we did the thing, and then we stepped to the next thing. So now let's do something like this. Switch this to address. No, let's see. I actually need function. So now we're going to need to do IL. Although we can actually do self.function now. Actually, let's just do so then we're going to do IL equals function dot get low level IL at address dot mapped medium level IL. Say Nope, this could potentially not work either. I need to do the exits. Well, I don't want to step over everything. Let's get the basic block, I guess. No. So what we want to do is we want to just kind of like start and then just iterate through until we get to one of these returns or something. Well, I guess because I'm going through a bunch of unconditional jumps and I want to stop at conditional jumps, what I can do is I can move this here. If il.operation is not, or is medium level IL operation dot ret, I want to do in all right. Yeah, let's leave true there. And for now, let's just do a, oh wait, no, elif il.operation equals medium level il operation dot mlil if func equals unjump. That should stop at the first jump, actually. Else il equals put that there. All right. So let's see if this works. So this should get us, if we give it an address, it'll get the IL, get the function IL, then it'll loop for a while, iterating over the instructions unless it finds a ret or it finds an if. If it's an if, it'll do unjump. If it's a ret, it'll do unret. And then it'll wait on analysis, then it'll do the check next, which will navigate it to the thing, or it'll return. Let's try it. Oh, hey Jordan. I got several bugs for you this time. Let's see. So unlock equals reload. All right. So we want u equals unlock task thread. Yeah. And we want to pass it a function address. So current function, and actually let's come up here, get back to our original. We're just going to pass in 0. Oh. Let's see what happens when we do this. Not a thing! Errors! Oh, really? Oh, I'm dumb. I passed in 0 for the index, not the actual start address. That was really, really stupid of me. All right, so let's just do that. And do here, and now start. All right, we got some errors. We at least got one. Yeah, we got our, is the next target. Oh, and I love this. You can actually click these now and they'll go to the location. Okay. So what is my issue here? Register value object has no attribute offset. All right, I've seen that before, and I wonder if it's saying undetermined. It like has. No, that's the wrong. No, it knows what it is. How is it getting that? I'm gonna start outputting that. I think there's like a race condition here where like update analysis and wait, but then it's not, data flow hasn't been updated yet or something. I got even more errors that time. Register value has no encode. It's just the traceback that was so big. All right, one more time with feeling. Hey, I think it actually like worked that time. It moved. Register value has no attribute offset. Undetermined, yeah. So there's some sort of race condition here, it seems like, where at the time of the analysis completion event being called, which is after analysis update is finished, or it's not actually analysis completion event anymore, it's the this is the our thread up here. We have analysis, update analysis, and wait. And then we call this, and then we loop again. And it's this loop, this check right here. This run. So yeah, so it's let me see, is there something I'm doing? Oh, nope, 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 nope. It's an, wait, yes, it should be. Yeah, this should be okay. Gonna print that out. Oh, wait, no. All right, so that time it worked. Then it check next, return jump 4, undetermined. Yeah. When it doesn't, but then if I call it now, watch, if I call it from right here, it works. Actually, oh yeah, that's the next one. Yeah, so yeah, so it sees the stack frame offset, but then here it's undetermined. Let's try something else. Let's take this out. see what happens now. Interesting. I wonder if it's because it's still a reference to the old. Oh, that's what it is. I'm not changing the IL when it's successful. Does check next return it? I don't even think I need check next anymore. I can just do this. Okay, so this is not a bug. This is just me forgetting to do certain things. All right. All right, so we have that up there. Gonna loop. It switches here, it switches here, it returns there. Let's try it again. Let's go back a few. And nope, still having an issue. Did it do it again? Yeah. Okay, maybe I am wrong. Still saying that. So what is the... Is it because of the function? I wonder if it's because it's retaining self.function is actually the old function. Let's try this. Put that there. And then so I'm wondering if this function has the old data. Aha, there we go. Look at that. And I got to right there and then something happened. I wonder what happened. It says it's the next target. But it didn't actually jump there. Actually, let's redo that. Okay, 153, jump to there, and then the next one is here, but it didn't actually change it. That's interesting though, but yeah, so it looks like the function stuff was keeping the reference to the old function, and I guess once it reanalyzed, the data flow stuff was stale because of that function? I don't know. Like, I guess if you add more things to the function, it's really strange, huh? Okay, so that seemed to work, and then we got to step 4, it looks like, and it jumped out for some reason. Yeah, okay, step 4, it should have output not enough space or done the next one. So let's see. What's... Oh, it was none. Huh. Interesting. Oh, I bet I know what happened. Let me see. Well, no. If we come here and do a jump 408 FF. Ah, yeah, so maybe it got right here and did like an undo or something. No, I'm not sure, but I guess that's going to be for next time, because I have to call it quits for the night. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, you folks. And next time we will see if we can actually get this automation thing to keep going, because there's a eventually one I was looking forward. Let me see. Let's see. Now I've forgotten how this works. All right. Function dot get low level il at here dot mat medium level il. All right. Yeah. So if we keep going down this, oops. If we keep going down here, Eventually we get to one that's kind of interesting. Come on, where is it? Come on. I know you're around here somewhere. There's a parity. That's an interesting one. Jump if parity. Well, I can't find it, and I don't want to sit here and just do this forever, because this is the whole point of the automation thing, is to not have to sit here and do this. But there's one that's eventually going to do something very interesting where it's actually creating an exception. And that's the one I want to see. Because that one I think is going to take a little bit of doing, because we have to like figure out where the function, the exception handler, is being put on the stack. And we'll have to like remember like where it was. And then I think there's something having to do with the unwinding of the stack that we're going to have to look into as well. I can't imagine that a program like this runs very quickly. It seems like this is just a lot of overhead. Come on, come on. I really want to find it. Come on. And these ECXs, it never does anything with them, really. I think eventually it uses it as like a jump target or something, and but like right before they do it, they actually change the value. And then the regular opaque predicate removal stuff that Peter wrote a blog post on a long time ago will actually find those. And so that's kind of a trivial thing to fix. No, we had 2 of these in a row. Come on, where are you? Oh, see, there's a push. So now we're no longer at the at var 4 for everything. We're at var 8, and notice our thing still works. And now they're subbing here and made a new thing. So they've set that one up for whatever it's supposed to be. Come on, you're around here somewhere. And look, ECX now has a known value because they moved something into it, and now they're starting to sub a bunch of stuff off of it. So and then now they're adding more to it and stuff. And really, if you wanted to ignore the jump ones, you can always basically just take the straight, the truth. Let's see if that makes it a little faster for us. Ah, look at that. Now we've got that one that it just jumps to. It knows where it is because of data flow. And that one's like doing a weird rotation. Getting some more stuff. Like it's calculating a 40 there for some reason. Come on. So we're getting into EAX stuff now, so we're getting close, I think. So this is how ridiculous this thing would look if we left the entire thing filled out. Okay, so that's a new one where it's gonna jump to the location that's in that one. So this is where it's gonna jump to. So let's go back. What is that? 40A2B0. A2B0. There we go. And back to it. So eventually, come on. Eventually it's going to set our EAX to 0. Come on. Not there yet. But seriously, how like annoying is this to do without any sort of automation? It'd take forever to do. I'm getting myself confused now. Oh, I might have gone down the wrong one. Yeah, here we go. This is the one I want. See, it's hard to keep track of. It's just kind of a rabbit hole. Oh, there's a bunch of, here we go. All right, finally, what I was looking for. So it gets EAX to, yeah, so the problem with running the unret loop over everything is that some of the rets down some of the other paths, like the paths that it won't ever go down, those actually jump to things inside other locations, and if I'm patching those, it will actually overwrite binary, like stuff that I actually care about, because it'll like jump into the middle of weird instructions and things like that, and so I can't do that. So, but yes, it would look pretty ridiculous because, like, if you look at this, you can see it's very crazily linear. Hi, Finn S. We are. I'm actually finishing up right now for the day, but we are deobfuscating an obfuscated binary. And I was just jumping down to the bottom here, or I don't even know how close to the bottom this is, but this one, I was talking about the next one that we're going to do once I finish the automation part of this, is that there is this one here where it pushes something onto the stack somewhere, somewhere up here, I think, very far away apparently, and it's going to set this equal to 0. Then it's going to push this onto what's there on the stack, which on x86, the FS register, the first thing at the top of the thread environment block is a pointer to the previous exception handler. And so, and so they push this on right here. And then they continue on. Now that they've put that exception handler on, or they push that one on, and then, yeah, so then ESP+4, no, that's not it. We haven't gotten there yet. So var18, yes, so var14, they move the stack pointer into that location, and then they come down here and they try to move a byte from 0 into EAX, and that triggers the exception. So you never actually come to this right here. So what we're going to have to do is actually detect this, detect that, and then detect this, and know, okay, as soon as they do this, that is a jump to another location. So that's going to be real fun. So anyways, that's today. I'm sad that a couple of people are just now hopping in, but please watch the VOD when it finishes processing or whatever. And yeah, Thursday at 3, I believe, will be the next one, 3 p.m. Pacific, and we'll try and get some more of this obfuscation done. This has taken a lot more episodes than I expected, but you know what? It'll still be cool. So yeah, have a good night, guys and ladies, and I'll catch you